Hey everyone! Today I'm tackling a super important topic: how to cool down Karachi with 10 green tips. Karachi's temperatures are skyrocketing and greenery is on a steep decline. But guess what? We can change that. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First on the list, plant more trees. Trees are like nature's air conditioners. Organize community tree planting drives and focus on heat-tolerant species like neem, banyan, or mango trees. Imagine neighborhoods shaded by lush canopies. Next up, create vertical gardens. Got a blank wall? Turn it green. Encourage building owners to create vertical gardens or green walls. It's a fantastic way to maximize space and cool down the surroundings. Support urban forestry initiatives. Collaborate with local authorities to launch urban forestry projects, like the Clean Green Pakistan initiative. Together, we can transform barren urban areas into vibrant green spaces. Promote rooftop gardening. Rooftops are often underutilized. Inspire residents to create rooftop gardens using pots or hydroponics. More green cover equals cooler air and a prettier skyline. Reduce your carbon footprint. Simple changes can make a big difference. Carpool, use public transport, or cycle to reduce air pollution. Every little bit helps. Install green roofs. Green roofs insulate buildings and reduce heat absorption. Suggest this to building owners. It's a win-win for them and the environment. Raise awareness. Education is key. Spread the word about how greenery mitigates urban heat islands and combats climate change. Knowledge is power. Involve schools and universities. Engage students in tree planting activities and environmental awareness programs. Fostering a sense of responsibility in the younger generation is crucial. Collaborate with local government. Work with authorities to develop and implement urban planning strategies that incorporate green spaces. Policy changes can have a massive impact. Lastly, support reforestation efforts. Partner with organizations focused on reforestation and afforestation in surrounding areas. Expanding Karachi's green belt can make a huge difference. And there you have it. 10 actionable tips to help cool down Karachi. Remember, every step counts. Together, we can make a difference and create a greener, cooler Karachi. Thanks for watching, and let's get greening.